Hello everyone, welcome to another brand new video. And in this video, I will show you how to attach files from Drive in Gmail. So you're new to the mobile interface of Gmail and you can simply figure out how to attach a file from your Drive to your email. How can you do it? Let me show you. First, open your email app. Here, tap on Compose. You can simply choose the details. But let me show you how to attach your file from your drive. Tap on this paperclip icon on the top and tap on Attach. Here on the top, if you scroll Browse Files in other apps, you will see various Google Drive options here. The number of Google Drive options depends on how many Google accounts are logged in on your phone. And if you can find this option, you can simply tap on the three lines on the top left, and you can also find them here. Now select any of your drive, locate your file, and then attach that to your email. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comment below and we'll be more than happy to answer it for you. And if you want to see us more on your For You page, subscribe to our channel.